This level of qualification is for those beginning a new career and are seeking an introduction into the field. It will make you familiar with the fundamentals of your subject and offer a pathway to further education. As course modules at this level are designed to establish baseline knowledge in your field, they are perfect for new learners. Learn basic industry concepts, skills and terminology which will prepare you to perform routine work. During this course, you will also learn how to implement your newfound knowledge and apply it to your organization. Add value to your CV and build a solid foundation for further study. This level of qualification is for those who are starting a new profession and want to learn more about their industry. These training modules are ideal for beginning learners because they are meant to develop baseline knowledge in your field. One key benefit of a Cert 2 is that it serves as an entry-level pathway to employment. That's why it's great for people who have not yet entered the workforce and are learning the skills they will need in order to get a job. These people do a variety of fundamental procedural, clerical, administrative, or operational jobs that necessitate self-management and technological abilities. They conduct a variety of mostly routine duties in a defined context with little practical abilities and core operational knowledge. Individuals in these positions are usually directly supervised. So a Cert 2 provides a great opportunity to develop these skills. A Cert 2 qualification will enhance your resume and increase your employability. This certificate is designed to teach you the essential abilities you'll need in the job. This thorough qualification will be a terrific option for you if you want to expand your professional skills and gain real-world experience in the industry. Enroll online or apply for RPL today to get qualified.